Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s. So if I do first the derivative for the both side, you got about the u equals to the s. dv we have secant of as squared. The integration of this one we have 1 over a tan as. So we put about u multiplied by v, so we have s over a tan as minus the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over a, and we have the integration tan as ds. So this one we need to change about sine as over cosine as. And now the integration of this one we have negative 1 over a ln of the absolute value of cosine as. And then we put about c. So negative 1 over 8 multiplied by negative 1 over 8, you got about positive 1 over 8 squared. And this is the final answer. Now we go to the second one. We need to use about integration by parts. So we need to put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have 2s ds. dv we have cosine 7s ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to 1 over 7 sine 7s. Number 7, that's about coefficient of s. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have s squared over 7 sine 7s minus the u multiplied by v, so we have 2 over 7, and we have the integration s sine 7s ds. Now we continue use integration by parts. Now this one should be about s, so this one you got about the s. This one should be about sine 7s. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over 7 cosine 7s. So this one we have u multiplied by v, and then we have negative s over 7 cosine 7s minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign in here, so negative with negative in here, you got about positive, and we have 1 over 7, and we have the integration cosine 7s ds. The integration of this one we have 1 over 7 sine 7s, and then we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.